Nintendo Switch, I told you I was going to talk about it. Nintendo Switch Pro. Confirmed. What? Confirmed? Who are these people? T3.com. Confirmed. Sheesh. Nintendo has asked developers to prepare for its more powerful console for this holiday season. Huh. You know, they can't let the 4K gaming only go to these guys over here. These guys over here. These guys over here.
Oh, careful with that.
Yeah, that's a 4K Series X. And everybody said, oh, the Series S is going to be the Switch killer because it's $299.
Yeah.
And then everybody said, well, you know what? That Switch Lite is really popular anyways, and that's $199. So now it's like all these options in the store for the gamers that are out there. What if Nintendo Switch says, hey, you know what? We're going to be able to actually take on your 4K product. We don't even have to just sit there and mess around with your little Series S. We got Mario in 4K in the holiday season.
Enticing.
Yeah, you never saw Mario in 4K.
No.
Exactly. So here's the report. Nintendo rumored to be working on a Pro version of its Switch, able to support 4K gaming. That way, the Pro could happily get ports of PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X titles. Get those quick and easy ports with the right resolution. Nintendo has not made this official. However, Bloomberg reports via VGC that Nintendo has been reaching out to its third-party developers to ask them to make their titles 4K ready, indicating their new piece of hardware is on its way. None of their current models are 4K capable, so they would have to be doing another console in order to become 4K capable. So you wouldn't be reaching out to your developers unless you had something in the works. And we did a report recently. We talked on the show about how they were ramping up the production of the other models as well for the holiday season. So maybe they rearrange the price, they rush this thing out. I don't know what they do, but they're apparently interested in 4K as well. That seems to be the thing to do at this point in time. The Switch Pro could utilize NVIDIA's DLSS AI upscaling to hit 4K resolution, according to the outlet, meaning it won't be as taxing on the system as native 4K. Little upscaling stuff.
Oh, okay.
With the titles that are non-4K for the time being, apparently. Now, this all coincides with another rumor. If you click on the patent for a new Joy-Con right there, that link. So this corresponds with this rumor and the patent filing showcasing Joy-Cons that do not connect to the main unit. And so if you scroll down a little here, you will see a standalone Joy-Con. So that makes you wonder if this, let's say, Switch Pro, maybe it's not even necessarily Pro. Maybe it's Switch stationary. Maybe they came out with the Lite, which is just the handheld mode. What if they come out with the tabletop mode, with a streamlined box like these other guys do?
So no screen, you think?
I'm just talking. I'm just a guy that's talking.
You are. Yeah.
Maybe they want to have a play in that area. Something more traditional. It sits on the tabletop and you have the dedicated controls. Maybe they want you to have one of these and a Switch Lite. Maybe the Switch Lite sold so well that they said, okay, everybody has the handheld. They're doing the Animal Crossing and all the rest of it. Now, what about those other gamers that are cross-shopping those? Right? They could save some money. They could maybe even undercut these guys and deliver the 4K thing and get more ports of the upcoming next-gen titles that are non-exclusives. So, lots going on in the gaming world. In the meantime, before this happens, how about this move? Fortnite Special Edition Nintendo Switch.
Oh.
Now, I'll tell you, this is the move of all moves. This is the checkmate move.
Is it now?
Yeah, it is. We had all the beef. We still have all the beef. We got Sweeney at Epic. We got Cook at Apple. They're not getting along. They don't agree. They're in court. There's all kinds of injunctions. Do you even know what an injunction is?
You don't want to know.
Do I ever? I don't know if there's injunctions or not, but there's beef in the courtroom and a disagreement, and there's suits and there's countersuits. And I can say that for certain. An authoritative warning or order. That's an injunction. Wow, so serious. Anyway, Fortnite leaves iOS. Fortnite leaves 100 million user. 100 million users, right? Over. I think it was 116 million users on iOS. Get out of town. The number one platform for Epic with Fortnite was iOS. And now everybody's out in the cold.
They
Right.
can't even log in anymore.
They can't.
With their
Actually, I
Apple
believe that
ID.
was reversed.
Was it reversed?
I believe that was reversed at the time of filming this. I believe they found a way around that.
Okay.
But it doesn't matter because they can't update the game. They can't get on the next season. Nobody who's in this ecosystem is going to remain on iOS, can continue to remain on iOS and sit and wait. They got to figure out something to